what's up, guys? Today we're having a beach stand with the boys.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm a little tired, so I look stupid.
Let's get it. Now, a primary snack. Shout out Fritos. I bet on it. I bet.
So here we have the Air Jordan Cinderella 4s. Not even out yet. Just a quick preview for you guys. It's not the legit pair yet. It's just a sample.
This is the prototype that's like at 12 a.m. It just goes crazy.
Yeah. Right now they're on StockX for about $2,000. But if you hit the link in bio, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, everything.
All right, that's enough. That's enough out of you. You know what it is? Target gang, target gang. We're doing whatever you hold, Eddie will get for you challenge. So let's get it.
Yeah.
What is your goal today, Steve? To get kicked out of Target.
No way! Yo! Corey, my man Corey!
Yo, is Corey about to hook us up with some free?
You know what that's good for.
You know what, Cap? I got nothing for you. You know what, Cap? I got nothing for you. No coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options, zero, zip, nada, no trust, hire.
All for a pack of gum, sheesh, bro.
All right. Keep going, Kyle.
No, I'm just playing. It's not even mine. It's edited.
Yeah, you can watch my channel, link in bio. So about thanks, bye.
Pre-beach prep, you know what it is out here.
Cut.
Got the essentials.
You caught me in the right place at the right time, so I'll just dive right in. Say you got a blank space in your right mind, well here's my second win. Oh, your idea, man, blown away.
Yeah, let it like sit in there for a little bit. Let it marinate.
I've got more secrets than you'll ever know. Another year and you won't let it go.
You picked up another brother? Out here in jungles of Cancun.
Yeah.
Hey, real talk though? Yo, Eddie just fucking
Dude, that was...
Something's telling me I never could have ruined everything you want in life. Cause you're never putting effort, and the truth says you were never doing it right. Oh, you're making me sick. What is this? Am I the one you can't ignore? Cause I dropped my forgiveness, it's lying face down.
You dig, y'all.
Dude, my vlog is gonna be way better than yours.
It cuts off the cells. So you running in or what?
No.
Yep.
Yo, we just got in the water and it's freezing, but we're gonna tell Steven that it's actually really nice. He's gonna sprint in.
That's bold.
How you doing, Steve?
I need a break.
I need some milk.
I need some milk.
I've got more secrets than you'll ever know. Another year and you won't let it go. Too many times I told myself to hold on, but it's too late for me. Now I'm as good as gone.
Good morning, y'all.
On our way to Mod Pizza, about to smack some food.
Whoosh.
thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my fun adventures, and share it with all your friends and family. And feel free to leave a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and yeah, till next time, see you guys.